Kador bar Snong Lawjynriew Shillong kala Rakhe ya kajingdam Lyngkhuh Snem bashispa asan po Snem haka arpu pratri ulber haka ba umentri rangba uladon lang hakani kasngi la ple pai ba ya kiying dorbar ba ya uting shop jong kani kasnong umentri rangba ukon rat ke sangma ulapin no jinsur ki jingirap kibala kot shakalai pholak tingka nakapla Chief Minister Special Development Fund shakani kasnong Haka jingkren umentri rangba ula Khubor da kabaong bon ki Snong kim juklet ban ai ki jingker shan ba jingtrei lang bar ka Khubor kham tam haka por ba kalang ka khlam COVID-19 haki por ba ki ka nuku jing ki pai ba ban wan ra ya ka suk ka san Snong hathaw kumta ka sarkar ru ka pen phai kilang ya kani ka jing pha jong ki Snong da ka ba kir shan ni ki jingdan kam jong ki ban kiyo ko roi ka pa habaro kilang Hakani kasngi umentri rangba ulo at ribbon yeki babuan ki jingtrei jong kador bar Snong Lawjynriew hakmat ki pai ba balayalum hakani kasngi ba Kmen
Heritage installation across 8 long boundaries, no parcel A, no parcel B, Golden Estate, no Halam, no Put, Lawjynriew and Shillong. We celebrate culture and heritage.
I can send it back here.
And I'm happy to inform you that I have decided that from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund to mark this wonderful occasion, I will be contributing 30 lakhs from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund for this particular purpose. Also, for many years, we have been trying as a government to improve the overall facilities in different localities. Many programs have been started by us, but as we all know, that the government alone cannot do it. I must, on record, mention the contribution of all the Snongs, all the localities and the leaders and the citizens. Their support during difficult times like the pandemic of COVID-19, like different situations of law and order, where without the community's participation, it is impossible for us to manage situations. Upholding our foundation roots and striving towards our vision. I hope that generations to come will uphold it in their hearts, leaving behind footprints of honor for those who follow.
The toast to 150 years of heritage, unity and progress, and here's to the next 150 years of even greater achievements.